Time to check in with CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor Nick Day, who's also the editor of CoinDesk's The State of Crypto newsletter. Good morning, Nick. So we have a report out saying that the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, wants greater scrutiny for crypto exchanges. Explain what's going on.
Good morning. Yes, SEC Chair Gary Gensler told reporters yesterday that he believes his agency should take a closer look at crypto exchanges. And this is nothing new, really. He said this for months at this point. He's gone so far as to name explicit exchanges in the past, Coinbase being one of them, as examples of crypto trading platforms specifically that he believes the SEC should have closer jurisdiction of, because in his view, some of the assets that are listed on crypto exchanges might qualify as securities. Basically, most cryptocurrencies that are not Bitcoin and Ether have the potential to be classified as a security under the SEC's purview. So that's how they're kind of approaching this. The question now is whether or not we'll see, actual action to follow these words.
Nick, we just spoke to Dave Natick from ETF Trends, and I asked him the same question. I'm going to ask you. Is part of the holdup when it comes to a potential Bitcoin spot ETF, basically Gensler saying, look, until I get control of the spot markets, you're not seeing these things come through. Is that pretty much what we're seeing here, or is there more to that than just control of the spot markets?
The spot markets are definitely part of it. The SEC has said, and this even predates Gensler, but the SEC has said that they're concerned about wash trading and manipulation in the spot markets, and that is one reason why a spot ETF has not been approved. So if the SEC does get more strict oversight of spot crypto trading platforms, the next step after that would be to, I believe, impose either greater surveillance techniques and tools to kind of, drown out this wash trading and manipulation that the SEC sees, or, find other ways of addressing those key problems. The spot markets, in other words, are, kind of controlling them would be one part of whatever steps need to happen, but I don't think that in and of itself it would be sufficient.
Nick, we have yet another hearing coming up today. What are you looking at for?
Yeah, so in a little over an hour, the House Energy and Commerce Committee will be hosting a hearing on whether or not crypto, or how crypto's energy impact, or what is crypto's energy impact, really. We did see the witness testimony published this morning, so we have 5 witnesses, and the comments range from endorsing a shift away from proof of work to proof of stake to, Brian Brooks, who currently helms Bitfury and used to be at the Office of the Comptroller of Currency and Binance US and Coinbase, say that he believes that, Bitcoin mining is actually somewhat cleaner than the overall U.S. energy grid. He, pointed to the Bitcoin Mining Council and the Cambridge Bitcoin Energy Consumption Index in his testimony, saying that he believes that Bitcoin, even though elected officials could kind of set some of the broader energy questions as to where it comes from, the market should determine how the energy is used, and Bitcoin, from his examples, uses a lot of renewable energies as opposed to, just coal and other non-renewables.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. It seems to be a worldwide conversation. I mean, just the other day, the European Securities and Markets Authority Vice Chair said that he believed that proof of work mining should be banned in the European Union and had a more favorable take or outlook on proof of stake. So we see those conversations happening in governments around the world.